All right, today is a day for a side quest.
Chaos. Nowhere to park.
And if you don't come here with a plan, you get sucked in and never be able to leave. Which one is better? Oh, look at this. What do you think of that? That's nice, right?
I said Dragon Ball. Dragon Mart. Oh my God.
You gonna do 35?
No. What is that?
All right, today is a day for a side quest, and we're gonna be going to Dragon Mart. We're gonna go meet Mohan. For those that don't know, in temporary accommodations, and guess what? Look what they're doing, renovating their entire lobby. So now when we come in, we actually have to go downstairs and park. But I feel like the renovations journey is following me everywhere. It's like it's attracted to me. So we're gonna go meet Mohan now, and we need to grab a few things. So we're gonna be grabbing tiles for the backsplash for the master bathroom, tiles for the backsplash for the boys' bathroom. There's one more thing that we needed. Oh yeah, the tiles for the powder room downstairs. So if we can find all those three things, then it'll be a good day. It'll be a day of accomplishment, and that's what we're waiting on today. We're gonna go on the weekend to Dragon Mart. I love going to Dragon Mart, and we're gonna be productive. We're gonna get what we need and get out of there.
So I have no idea what we were thinking about coming to Dragon Mart on a Sunday. Chaos. Nowhere to park. Spent the last 25 minutes trying to find parking. Let's see if we can find Mohan in there. It's gonna be bonkers in there for sure.
We are outside of Dragon Mart for trip probably 27 at this point, and we're gonna try to stay organized today. We're gonna go in there with the chaos and try to make some good decisions. There's a map. Just from this, for people who haven't come here before, shows you how enormous this place is. And if you don't come here with a plan, you get sucked in and never be able to leave. Okay, so this is the list, okay? 3 different types of tiles that we need for the 3 bathrooms. That's number 1. Number 2 is the wallpaper for my daughter's room. Just to give you an idea of how busy it is bonkers. I mean, it's busy on normal days, but you know, with the weekend rush, people are just everywhere here. So, see if I can find Mohan. So we're with Mohan, we made it, look at him. He caught me in the crowd. On a Sunday. You see that? He never stops working. All right, here we are. We're looking for drains right now. Okay, 2 different quality drains. All right, we'll come back as soon as we find something that we can show you. Muhammad Shakeen did not have what we were looking for. We had to leave. We're here now.
Same quality, no, same quality.
Trying to make deals.
This one same quality.
Same quality.
This one another quality.
That one's another quality, okay. What kind? What do we got? We're trying to make a deal here. We're gonna use that for the shower.
All same brand, the same quality. This one also has quality, same size quality.
Which one is better?
This one better.
All right, let's see. We're gonna choose one. We're gonna choose one of these.
2-piece brass, 1-piece black.
2-piece brass.
And one piece black.
A cover is gonna sit on top of it. Is it gonna be the same color as the tile? This?
Yeah, we'll put the tile.
Okay. So just to give context.
You can put the cover like this
Yeah.
to have the sun.
One option,
Or you can
okay.
put the tile.
Or we can put the tile on top.
You have only the groove.
Yeah. I say we go tile. What do you think? Yeah, we go tile. Although, you know, the one downside to that is after a while, I start to see like the chips in the tile here.
But even if you have the tile,
Okay. So go tile so that you have both on, right? Because you just flip it over. 3 pieces of that,
and black one.
and then black for the boys' room, bathroom. Do you have that in stock? All right, everything kitchen's in here. All right, we're gonna make a deal. So can you tell me how much that's gonna cost? 200, 100, 70,
This is normal price.
70, 30.
Where's the discount?
Yeah, where's the discount?
Now put the price to the discount.
Yeah. What's the name of your business?
Jijiang Best Plastic, GI05.
You are across from the Aroma Turkish. All right. See the before and after. 640 total before discount. After discount, 600. Are you sure? Can we do 599? I will pay a little bit of my coffee for today. So I'm gonna pay for this now. We saved 41 dirhams. We're looking at some wallpaper for the boys' room.
It's here. Okay.
The whole book is there. No, too little. Let's see here. No. Oh, look at this. What do you think of that?
This is nice.
That's nice, right? Starlight, because we're gonna have this, that's like the kind of the theme, right? Oh, this is it. Or even that one's a little lighter. But I think the darker, that one's nice too. You know, the problem is it's too dark, that blue. It's nice, but it's just too dark.
Texture.
Yeah, this is not bad. That looks actually nice.
This you would like it because we have the button down.
Yeah. That might work, because we have the white,
Down.
yeah, at the bottom, the paneling. Yeah, that's close. That's not bad. Trying to show them what it is. That's what it looks like.
This.
We're trying to find it. Man, look at that. So many different options. Oh, look, right there.
This is. Like something like this.
You know what? This won't be so bad for the boys' room too. Look at this. See that? This is it. I like this. What do you think, Mohan? It's nice. The color looks good too, right? But this is great. Do you have anything with a little bit of blue like this?
The wall, the measurement.
I'll give you the size. It's customized.
Customize. Same customize.
How much is coming?
The 1 meter coming 40 dirham.
1 meter like this.
1 square meter
1 square meter, 40
coming
dirham.
40 dirham.
You can do 35?
No, 40 dirham.
Are you sure?
100% sure.
He's 100% sure. Not how I thought it was gonna go down. Man, there's so many options. That's the problem. Too many options. Hard to make a decision. Ah, this is not bad either. Honestly, that's not bad. All right, we'll come back. We're a little bit indecisive right now. We are back to pick up the drain. So we're checking him. We had to swap one out. So lesson number 827, maybe? Something like that. Is before you take your material, make sure you check. One of them was chipped, so we have to swap that out. But everything else looks good. I'm gonna put that in there. There's our, thank you very much. There's all the supply. We got the wallpaper and we got the drain stuff. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you, boss.
Yeah, man, it's been a pleasure. We like you guys, and we're gonna use this and follow for more, because then you can see your material in my house. All right? All right, take care.
Yeah, thank you,
Thanks,
boss.
take care. All right, so we got that done. We move forward.
I don't know what we were thinking about coming Dragon Ball. I said Dragon Ball. Dragon Mart. Oh my God. Let me start that one over.